Excuse me. Hi, this is Geraldine with Carpets of Arizona. And what I want to introduce, I am so excited. I want to introduce to you Bellera from Shaw. This is our newest carpet. It's called Bellera. And check this out. Look, this is like day one. This is like super soft. Can you see how soft this feels? Yes, I can see how soft this feels. Of course I can. And then day 5 years later, it's just as soft as it was on day one. Isn't this awesome? You're gonna love this carpet, and what you're gonna love the most, look at the selection. I wanna show you all the beautiful carpet there is to choose from. You've got patterns and you've got solids. And also this comes with like the most amazing warranty you've ever seen. 10 years, 10. Look, like as many fingers as I have on my hand. 10 years warranty for like stain resistance and crush resistance. And it's just gonna last you a lifetime. You're gonna love it. And the price of this stuff is fabulous. And we're giving 20% off on this carpet right now. That's the installed price. And just come on down and check it out. You're gonna love it. We are in Chandler, Arizona. And then we also have another store in Glendale. But we look forward to seeing you and showing you Bellera. You're gonna love it. I'm Geraldine. Don't I look beautiful today? Yes, I do. I look forward to seeing you at Carpets of Arizona.